There's actually times where you don't use parentheses in scheme. Go figure. And it really happens to happen a lot with the conditions. Because remember, the conditions are physically returning a couple of values. In this instance, they happen to be returning two strings. There are some values that if you want it returned, don't need the quotes. And those are strings, numbers, Boolean values, and some of the basic types like rational and stuff, other things that you probably haven't even seen yet. But what requires a parentheses is if you're actually doing a function, like pretend this one right here was doing that, which shows right above there, the multiplication of x times x. If it requires a function to do some work and then return the value to you, then that should be in parentheses. But if you notice that the parameter incorrectly passed here, by accident, the student just put parentheses around it, and you can see from the error message, it did not like that, because every time that you see a parentheses, it's expecting a function, not a value. And there's a big difference between the two of those. And again, the values of strings, numbers, Boolean, those do not require the parentheses that you and I would think of, but there are times you don't need parentheses.